Welcome back everyone to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to delete recent ad activity on Facebook. First thing first, open the Facebook app on your Android or iPhone device. Tap the three horizontal lines in the top right corner. Then all you have to do is scroll down and select Settings and Privacy, then tap Settings. Go to Ad Preferences, then tap Ad Preferences again. Select Recent Ad Activity. Here you'll see a list of ads you recently interacted with. Just tap Remove next to any ad you want to delete and tap Remove again to confirm. This will delete your history of recent ad activity on your account. Just note that this only removes past data. Facebook can still collect new ad interaction data in the future. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.